guys, so today I'm going to be showing you how to make your own aloe vera oil for hair growth, and also this promotes healthy scalp, and we are going to be making two versions of this. First one is to use this in the liquid form, and the other one is to make kind of like a aloe vera oil bar. So let's get started. So aloe vera is great for hair growth because it has proteolytic enzymes which repairs dead skin cells on the scalp, so it stimulates dormant hair follicles and helps prevent hair fall. It also strengthens and repairs hair strands because it contains vitamin A, C, E, B12, and folic acid that contribute to cell turnover, promoting healthy cell growth and shiny hair. Furthermore, aloe vera is an amazing conditioner for both the hair and scalp. It alleviates any scalp conditions and it prevents dandruff because of its anti-inflammatory properties. Okay, so for the oil, you can use any hair growth oils of your choice, but for me, I like using the VCO or the virgin coconut oil for this because not only is it great for hair growth, but it is also amazing in deep conditioning the hair. Plus, the vitamins and the fatty acids in the coconut oil will help nourish your scalp, and it penetrates the cuticle of the hair, so this will help your hair grow healthier, thicker, and longer. So first, I will remove the thorny sides of the aloe vera and peel off the green skin on top because I will be using the gel only. And then after that, this is what it's going to look like. And now I will add in all of it to the blender so that it will be easier for me to apply it later on the hair. I really do suggest that you need to fully blend the aloe vera gel till it's liquefied, because if not, the aloe gel has a tendency to leave kind of like a white residue on your hair, and sometimes it's hard to remove them. Now once that is done, I will go ahead and filter it just to make sure that we have a smooth liquid consistency. And then I'm gonna go ahead and add in the coconut oil. Now for me, I decided to add in 4 tablespoons of it, but you can add more if you want to. Okay, so after that, I'll mix it together, and then I'm gonna go ahead and transfer that into this little container right here for easy application. Now when you work with fresh aloe vera gel, it is really best to keep that in the fridge so that it won't go bad quick. It is also good to use this fresh. So if you have no plans in putting this in the fridge, the shelf life of this, when you leave this at room temperature, will only last you for about 2 days max. So just be aware of that since we're not using any preservatives for this. So I highly suggest to make just enough so it won't go to waste if you have leftovers. Now, as I've said, you have the option to use this as is, but for me, I actually like using this cold. So what I have here is a silicone molder. So what I'm going to do is I will just pour in the mixture in there that we just made, and then I will put that in the freezer for about 30 minutes to an hour. And once that's done, it's going to look something like this. I think it's really cute. I actually really like how this turned out. I think you can really get creative with your aloe vera gel bar if you have silicone molders like these. And as I've said, I prefer using it this way because I really do like the cooling sensation that it leaves your scalp. Plus you can make several batch if you ever decide to use it this way, and you can just store this in the fridge and just take it out whenever you want to use it again. Okay, so for the application part, once again, if you're using this solely for hair growth, then just concentrate it on your scalp. But however, you can use this all over your hair because, as I've said, this can actually soften and moisturize your hair. Plus, if you have any scalp issues, this helps alleviate it as well. And actually for me, I've tried leaving this on my hair overnight and the results were just amazing the next day. So it totally depends on you guys on how long you want to leave this on your hair. So that is it, you guys. I hope you all liked this video, and if you did, once again, please give this video a thumbs up. And actually, just to let you guys know, if you have been around my channel for a really long time, y'all would know that I like using aloe vera on my hair, and since I'm from the Philippines, this is actually one of the popular plants here that we use to grow our hair. And ever since when I was a little girl, my friends and I have been using aloe vera gel on our scalp to grow our hair. And also, not only aloe vera is really good for hair growth, but it is also great for curing any scalp problems. So that is it, you guys. And also, if you found this content valuable, please do share it to your friend, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!